traders, how to trade swing trading setups. In this video I will teach you how I swing trade. I will teach you how I set the stop loss, how I select the targets, and how I choose the entry. This video will be very practical for you if you want to learn how to swing trade. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and let's start. First of all, traders, let's compare swing trading with intraday and day trading. And the main difference is the average holding period. Being an intraday trader, your average holding period is just one single day. While being a swing trader, you can hold your trading positions for weeks, right? And for that reason, the swing trading requires more capital because the stop losses are quite extended in swing trading. In swing trading, you ignore intraday price fluctuations, focusing on major moves. While being the intraday trader, you are focused on the moves within the day, right? With that in mind, let me show you how I trade swing trading setups. Hey traders, learn how to trade in my premium educational group. There on daily live streams I will show you my active trading positions. There I will show you the setups that I'm currently looking at. If you want to combine the learning and earning experience, it will be the best place for you to be. For more info, check my website. It is vasilytrader.com/private group. The link in the description below, or text me in one of the social networks. I will give you more details. The most important thing in trading is to identify the zone, the area to trade from. Because in swing trading, we are trying to catch a wave. We are trying to identify the point from where a bullish or a bearish wave may initiate. So structure analysis here is very important. In being swing traders, we are relying on daily and weekly time frames. On these time frames, we are looking for major structures. We are on silver chart on a weekly time frame, and you can see that the market is falling. You can see that the market is currently trading in a bearish trend. And you can see that for the last few weeks, bears are pushing. But if we look left at structure, you can see that silver is currently approaching a very peculiar structure. You can see that in the past, multiple times in a row, that structure was respected by the market. You can see that it was a very strong resistance in the past, and many bearish moves initiated from that structure. And of course, after the breakout, that structure turned into a very strong support. So from that structure, we may see a very strong bullish movement. And let's add one more thing into the equation right here. Let's add the FEPs. Here we have our major bullish impulse. Yes, very strong bullish impulse. And let's even take our all-time structure high. Taking that impulse, let's draw the Fib retracement. Yes, drawing the Fib retracement, you can see that here we have a very nice confluence with the 618 retracement. So here on silver, we spotted a potential reversal zone. And from that zone, we will expect an initiation of the next strong bullish impulse. But even though the zone looks very strong, there is no guarantee that the market will start growing from that. And of course, we won't blindly buy that structure. We need something else. We need a confirmation. And our next step will be to look for a confirmation. What exactly are we looking for with the confirmation? With the confirmation, we are looking for proof that the structure that we spotted here on silver is strong and that buyers are willing to break some intraday structure levels. Yes, that buyers are willing to break something. And here on the 4-hour, let's analyze the price action together and let's discuss what can be our confirmation. What is happening with silver at the moment? The market is definitely bearish. Yes, we are trading in a bearish trend. And analyzing the highs, we may spot right here a very peculiar trend line. You can see how nicely the price is currently respecting that trend line. And here we got one more. So you can see that at the moment, the market is trading within this falling parallel channel. And of course, while the market is trading within the channel, it remains bearish. Yes, while it is within the channel, definitely bears dominate the market. And now zooming in the chart, traders, what do we see right here? We see that currently the market is consolidating. You can see that the market is currently accumulating between the major weekly structure that we spotted and the intraday structure resistance. So that is our current decision zone. Yes, and for now, the market participants are waiting for some trigger to decide whether they will push the market lower or whether buyers will start buying finally. And what will be our confirmation, traders? What will be our confirmation here, traders? Our confirmation right here will be the violation of that decision area to the upside. If we see its bullish violation, it will signify that buyers are finally willing to buy and they are willing to break the structure. The violation of the resistance of that accumulation range will also break the resistance of that falling channel. So here we will get a double breakout. Yes, the violation of a vertical structure and the violation of a horizontal structure. And definitely for us, it will be a very important trigger. And once we see the violation of that yellow cluster, then we can buy. Now let's discuss how exactly will we buy silver. So once we see the violation of that yellow cluster, we can buy. But from where exactly? I'm a very conservative trader and I prefer retest trading. And for entries, when I trade bullish breakouts of horizontal structures, I tend to set my buy limit order on the level of the highest candle close within the range. Yes, here's our highest candle close. So from here, from that level, I will buy silver. On that level, I will set my buy limit order. Now, where will we set our stop loss? When you are planning your stop loss, you should identify the point where you become wrong in your predictions. By the way, traders, if you want to learn how to set stop loss, watch this video. There I explained my entire strategy on how to set a stop loss. So where will we become wrong in our predictions? We will become wrong once the price sets a new lower low right here. So it will be reasonable to for us to set our stop loss below the lows of that range. Yes, so here will be our stop loss. How about the targets? With the targets, we set our targets based on the closest strong structures. The first strong structure that I see right here on silver is right here, right? Why that is a strong structure? Because from that structure, you can see how sharply the market dropped. So definitely we must consider that structure in our analysis. And I would also have the second target right here. And our second target will be based on that strong structure cluster. And again, you can see that in the past it was a very strong support. And of course, after the breakout, it turned into resistance. So here's our trade. Buying from here, setting our stop loss below the lows of the range. Here will be our initial target. Yes, 1.5 risk to reward. Not that bad. Remember that with swing trading setups, we have quite extended stop losses. It is completely normal. And then over here will be our second target. So we can catch here a very nice move. And of course, for now, you can see that it is too early to buy. Being a swing trader, you must be extremely patient. And once you are in a trade, remember that it may take many days before the price reaches even your first target. Yes, you can see how long the market is consolidating within that range. And remember that once you are in a swing trade, you can be stuck in such a consolidation as well. So be very patient. Alright traders, let me know in the comment section if you want to see more swing trading videos. Also, traders, remember that if you have any questions, always feel free to ask your questions in the comment section. I always reply. Also, traders, if you want to learn how to trade, if you want to learn my trading strategy, don't forget to check my premium group, the link in the description below. Also, traders, please like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will see you next week.